Venda Football Club Joel Masutha resigned. Venda Football Club's head coach, Mr. Joel Masutha, has stepped down from the position with immediate effect. The club received a resignation letter on the 4th of October. The head coach wrote, "It is with a great regret to inform you that I'm resigning from the head coach position with immediate effect. I am not greedy and don't want to drag the team down the drain." Venda Football Club's current technical advisor, Mr. John Ferreira, has agreed to step in as interim head coach. Now the question is, who's going to be the next coach of Venda Football Club? Let's comment below, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.